Number 4. Sony ZV-E10. Ready to kickstart your YouTube career? The Sony ZV-E10 is here to make it happen. As a budget-friendly camera, it's ideal for aspiring content creators. The ZV-E10 really shines when it comes to vlogging and videography. The articulating touchscreen is a lifesaver for those solo shoots, letting you frame shots with ease. There's also a top-tier internal microphone featuring a clip-on muffler, ensuring your audio is as crisp as your visuals. Sony's autofocus on this model is nothing short of excellent. It locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, making sure every moment is captured in sharp detail. However, don't expect any awards for its photography capabilities. The specs are standard, but that's not necessarily a deal breaker. One thing you might miss is in-body image stabilization. Handheld recordings may show some shake, although with a tripod or a gimbal, this issue is easily solved. Also, the lack of touch control in the menu system may feel like a missed opportunity, especially when convenience is key for vloggers. What I love most about the ZV-E10 is its balance of performance and price. It's perfect for those diving into content creation without breaking the bank. With its specific YouTube era features, this camera stands out among similar models. Still searching for the perfect budget camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.